What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best gardening gloves. The best gardening gloves protect your hands from dirt, thorns, and blisters, while still allowing you to feel the soil and grip tools with ease. There are a lot of products available to choose to gardening gloves, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gardening gloves products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. COOLJOB Gardening Gloves. The COOLJOB gloves are a simple and effective pair of gloves to keep you comfortable and clean in the garden. The slim and elastic fit allows plenty of dexterity, and the latex finish on the palm side of the glove keeps your hands dry while working in wet soil. The fingertips of these gloves are also sensitive enough to use a touchscreen phone. We found this pair to be a great all-around option for just about any gardening activity. The comfortable cotton elastic back of the COOLJOB gloves makes the product extra breathable and form-fitting. However, they also have a greater propensity to stretch out over time, catch on thorns, or wear down. Out of the packaging, these gloves have a powerful and off-putting chemical smell, but it wore off over time. This pair turned out to be one of our favorites due to the comfortable fit and great dexterity they offer, as well as the great value they provide at their price point. Positive side of this product. Comes in 2 fun colors, comfortable and close fit, fantastic finger dexterity, protective latex coating. Negative side of this product. Not as breathable as leather or cotton. Number 2. 𝐁𝐿𝐬 Soft Jersey Garden Gloves. The 𝐁𝐿𝐬 1852-3 glove is simple, and is 100% cotton. These gloves come with PVC dots for grip and fun, colorful designs for style. We saw that the PVC dots on this product work incredibly well and make it easy to pick up tiny seeds or grains of rice. We also discovered that they are easy to wear for long periods, and have excellent breathability. This model is easy to throw on for quick garden work, and comes in a set of 3, each with a different color and design. The 𝐁𝐿𝐬 1852-3 gloves were not as fitted or comfortable as some other gloves we tested. We didn't like that you can feel the seams inside the gloves while wearing them. We also found that because these gloves only have the PVC dots and no further latex or rubber protection, they aren't great for working with plants with thorns or spikes, and we would not recommend pulling out a large yard full of dead weeds with them either. The soft, breathable fabric is easily penetrated by anything sharp. Number 3. HANDLANDY Pruning Gloves. Looking for a great leather glove for your gardening chores? HANDLANDY Pruning Gloves are by far the best leather gloves we tested. They offer the best fit, provide comfortable and agile finger mobility, and have a sleeve to protect your arms when pruning rose bushes. We appreciated the sleeve protection when sticking our arms deep into a summer squash plant, and also found that we could roll the sleeves up when we didn't need the extra protection. We were pleasantly surprised by how adept these gloves are with delicate tasks, and how comfortable they are for extended periods. These gloves weren't without a few minor flaws, however. After leaving the HANDLANDY Pruning gloves fully immersed in water and allowing them to dry, the protective sleeve became stiff. But after a couple of uses, they broken again. It came to our attention that these gloves need to be taken care of if you want them to last. This is not a pair of gloves to leave in your garden bed every night, or they could easily become stiff and even break down. Number 4. OZERO 5-pair leather work gloves. We enjoyed the OZERO leather work gloves in both the garden and in the shop. The leather feels nice against your skin, and has a slightly waterproof finish to help repel water. The leather did a great job of protecting our hands against thorns and cactus spikes, and even kept our fingers warm. These are also the most affordable leather gloves per pair that we tested. Since they are so similar to some of the other leather gloves, they are a great deal. If you are looking for a glove you can wear while picking blackberries or handling cactuses, these are a great option. While watering the garden, the OZERO leather work gloves happened to get wet enough to soak through the cowhide. After removing the glove, we found that it had left yellow stains on our hands, and on the following day, we noticed the glove had shrunk a little. Our tests on these gloves reinforced that they bleed yellow and shrink when they get wet. We also found that they are not very dexterous, and are not good at working with small delicate things. Number 5. Amazing Stuff for You Grippy Gloves. The Amazing Stuff for You Grippy Gloves are comfortable, protective, and durable. These gloves fit and feel great. The elastic back and band make this glove feel like a sock for your hand. The protective latex layer is flexible and holds up well against dirt and thorns. This product also allows for dexterity and makes it easy to pick up small seeds. However, these were among the least breathable of the gloves we tested. If you tend to spend long days in the garden, these gloves might become uncomfortable after 30 minutes or so, especially in the summer heat. For short periods, though, their poor breathability is hardly noticeable. This is a workhorse glove for a quick pruning or replanting project. Amazing Stuff for You is proud to introduce our durable home and garden gloves. Coated palm and fingers provide superb liquid resistance and superior grip. Features a durable nylon shell to keep the dirt and bugs out, as well as adding breathability. Positive side of this product. Second, skin fit, protective latex layer, deftly handles small seeds and delicate tasks. Negative side of this product. Not very breathable. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.